what this tutorial covers. Today, you'll learn how to use Gamma AI to generate professional presentations automatically using AI Perfect for business pitches, training slides, YouTube explainers, and client proposals. Why Gamma AI turns text prompts into full presentations. No PowerPoint or design experience needed. Clean, modern layouts automatically applied. Export or share instantly. This is especially useful for content creators, business owners, students, and tech logistics brands like Axislogics. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Sign up. Go to gamma.app. Sign up with Google or email. Step 2. Create with AI. Click Create New, select Generate with AI, choose Presentation. Step 3. Enter your prompt. Example prompt. Create a 10-slide presentation explaining how AI is transforming logistics and transportation in Africa. Gamma AI will instantly generate slide titles, bullet content, visual structure. Step 4. Customize. Edit text naturally. Change themes and layouts. Add images, icons, or charts. Step 5. Export or share. Export as PDF or PPT. Share link directly with clients or team. Pro tips. Use clear prompts. Who it's for plus purpose, ask for slide count. Questoni profesh simbold. Great for YouTube scripts. Slides. Use cases as pitch decks. Training and onboarding. AI tutorials. Client proposals. Educational content.